It's me again. So do you want to like hang out with me and I don't know, we'll make grilled cheese together? I'm going to make grilled cheese for lunch today. So do you want to hang out? Okay, come on. All right, so going to take some potato bread. Let's put it on the plate. Take the bread, put it out. There goes my thing. All right, so this is what I use. You can use regular mayonnaise. I don't know. We use this. Put some mayonnaise on it, on each side. Like that. Like that. Like that. All right. We're all good. There you go. You're going to take this, the cheese, American cheese. We use the American cheese. Alright, we're going to have to move you. Alright, so, little frying pan. Take the mayonnaise side and place it down in the frying pan. You're going to have the frying pan on low. Well, medium. Because we don't want to burn it. Take the cheese. Unwrap the cheese, throw it on. I'm doing 2 slices. You can put more. You can put, I don't know, 1. I can put 10. I like it cheesy. And then you're going to take the other one that has the mayonnaise and you're going to put the mayonnaise facing up. And there you go. And now you're just going to wait until it gets golden brown. Okay, now we're going to flip it. See, look. Nice and golden brown. Now you flip it, you leave it on medium again, and we just wait on that side. Alright, let's check it. It's perfect. It's perfect. Shut that off. Look, I'll even show you the other side. Look at that. Perfect. That's what you want. You want it nice and golden brown. Not too dark. It looks good that way. Now I'll cut it. Look. It's perfect. It's a perfect grilled cheese. Well, I hope you try it. And subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of recipes, and I'll do more. And, you know, give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like me and you like my videos. So I would love to have you a part of my family. All right. Have a great day.